Choosing the best 360 action camera is crucial because it allows you to capture every angle of your adventures, ensuring that no moment is missed. Whether you're diving into the depths of the ocean, scaling mountain peaks, or just recording a family vacation, a top-notch 360 action camera can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best 360 action cameras of this year. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for up-to-date pricing and best deals. So let's get started. Number 5. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a versatile and powerful camera that stands out in the crowded market of 360 action cameras. Its sleek design and compact size make it a perfect companion for any adventure. The X3 is equipped with advanced stabilization technology that ensures your videos are smooth, even when you're on the move. This feature is particularly beneficial for activities like biking or skiing, where shaky footage can be a major issue. One of the key benefits of the Insta360 X3 is its intuitive interface. The touchscreen allows you to easily navigate through settings and preview your shots, making it user-friendly even for those who are new to 360 cameras. Additionally, the camera's ability to shoot in high resolution ensures that your videos and photos are crisp and detailed. This is essential for capturing the finer details of your adventures, from the texture of the trail beneath your feet to the vibrant colors of a sunset. The Insta360 X3 also excels in low-light conditions thanks to its advanced sensor technology. This means you can capture stunning footage even in dimly lit environments, such as during an evening hike or in an underwater cave. Compared to other cameras in this list, the X3 offers a great balance between performance and affordability, making it a solid choice for those who want high-quality footage without breaking the bank. However, when compared to higher-end models, the Insta360 X3 might fall short in terms of additional features. While it covers the basics exceptionally well, those looking for more advanced capabilities might find the other options in this list more appealing. Nonetheless, the Insta360 X3 remains a reliable and efficient choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of 360 action cameras. Number 4. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. The Insta360 One RS Twin Edition brings a unique proposition to the table with its modular design, offering both 360 and standard action camera capabilities. This flexibility allows users to switch between different modes depending on their needs, making it an incredibly versatile tool for capturing various types of content. Whether you're looking to film immersive 360-degree videos or traditional wide-angle shots, the One RS Twin Edition has you covered. One of the standout features of this camera is its flow state stabilization, which ensures buttery smooth footage even in the most dynamic environments. This is particularly beneficial for high-intensity sports like skateboarding or mountain biking, where maintaining stable footage can be challenging. The camera's modular design also means you can upgrade components over time, ensuring that your gear remains up to date with the latest technology. Compared to the Insta360 X3, the One RS Twin Edition offers more advanced features, including higher resolution options and improved image processing. This makes it a great choice for those who are serious about their video quality and want the best possible footage. The camera also performs well in various lighting conditions, ensuring that your videos look great no matter where you are. However, the modular design of the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition can be a bit more complex to manage compared to more straightforward models like the X3. Users who prefer a simple, all-in-one solution might find the extra components cumbersome. Despite this, the One RS Twin Edition offers unmatched flexibility and performance, making it a top contender for the best 360 action camera. Number 3. GoPro MAX. GoPro, a name synonymous with action cameras, delivers yet again with the GoPro MAX. This camera combines the best of both worlds, offering both 360-degree capture and traditional GoPro features in one sleek package. The Max's standout feature is its ability to shoot in Max Hypersmooth mode, which provides the smoothest video stabilization available in any GoPro camera to date. The GoPro MAX also offers impressive audio capabilities, with 6 built-in microphones capturing true-to-life 360 audio. This feature is a significant benefit for vlogging and other scenarios where high-quality sound is essential. The camera's rugged design ensures it can withstand the toughest conditions, making it ideal for extreme sports and outdoor adventures. Its waterproof capabilities up to 16 feet add an extra layer of protection, allowing you to take it anywhere without worry. When comparing the GoPro MAX to the Insta360 One RS Twin Edition, the MAX stands out for its simplicity and robustness. While the One RS offers modular flexibility, the MAX provides an all-in-one solution that is easy to use and reliable. The intuitive touchscreen makes it easy to navigate settings and preview shots, ensuring you get the perfect shot every time. However, the GoPro MAX does have its limitations. While it excels in stabilization and audio quality, its video resolution options are slightly lower than those offered by some competitors. Despite this, the GoPro MAX remains a strong contender, especially for those who prioritize ease of use and reliability in a rugged all-in-one package. Number 2. Insta360 One RS 1-inch Edition. The Insta360 One RS 1-inch Edition sets itself apart with its impressive 1-inch sensor co-engineered with Leica. This advanced sensor significantly enhances image quality, particularly in low-light conditions. The larger sensor size allows for better light capture, resulting in clearer, more detailed footage even in challenging environments. This makes it an excellent choice for nighttime adventures or indoor activities where lighting may be less than ideal. The camera also features flow state stabilization, ensuring smooth and stable video even in the most dynamic situations. Whether you're running, biking, or skiing, the One RS 1-inch Edition delivers steady footage that captures all the action without any shake or blur. Compared to the standard One RS Twin Edition, the 1-inch Edition offers superior image quality and low-light performance, making it a great choice for serious content creators. In addition to its technical capabilities, the One RS 1-inch Edition also offers a modular design, allowing users to swap out components and upgrade as needed. This ensures that your camera can adapt to new technologies and changing needs over time. The intuitive touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate settings and preview shots, ensuring that you always get the perfect shot. While the Insta360 One RS 1-inch Edition excels in image quality and low-light performance, it does come at a higher price point compared to other models. Users who are looking for a more budget-friendly option might find the Insta360 X3 or GoPro MAX more appealing. However, for those who prioritize top-notch image quality and advanced features, the One RS 1-inch Edition is a top choice that delivers exceptional performance. Number 1. Insta360 X4. At the top of our list is the Insta360 X4, a camera that takes 360 action filming to the next level. The X4 builds on the success of its predecessors with even more advanced features and capabilities. One of the most notable improvements is its enhanced stabilization technology, which ensures that your footage is smooth and steady, no matter how intense the action gets. This is particularly beneficial for high-energy sports and fast-paced activities, where maintaining stable footage can be challenging. The Insta360 X4 also boasts an upgraded sensor that delivers stunning image quality, even in low-light conditions. This means you can capture clear, detailed footage regardless of the environment, making it a versatile tool for any adventure. The camera's intuitive interface and easy-to-use controls make it accessible to both beginners and experienced users alike, ensuring that everyone can capture their adventures in stunning detail. Another standout feature of the Insta360 X4 is its impressive battery life, allowing you to record for longer periods without needing to recharge. This is particularly useful for extended trips or activities where access to power may be limited. Compared to the other models on this list, the X4 offers the most comprehensive set of features, making it the best choice for those who want the highest quality footage and the most advanced capabilities. However, with its advanced features and capabilities, the Insta360 X4 does come with a higher price tag. While it may be more expensive than other options, the investment is worth it for those who want the best possible performance from their 360 action camera. For serious content creators and adventure enthusiasts, the Insta360 X4 is the ultimate tool for capturing every moment in stunning detail. There you have it, the top 5 best 360 action cameras of 2024. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and guides. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for best deals. Thanks for watching.